Is Shareit Lite worth trying? They say Shareit Lite is the fastest way to transfer files in 2026. Just tap once, send anything you want, and boom, your photos, videos, apps, and documents move instantly from one device to another. No Wi-Fi needed, no mobile data, no cables. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? So today, we're taking a deeper look at Shareit Lite to see if it really lives up to the hype. Shareit Lite has been getting a lot of attention lately, especially because the original Shareit app became, well, a mess. Too many ads, too many pop-ups, too many useless features that nobody asked for. The Lite version, on the other hand, promises to be cleaner, faster, lighter, and safer. And honestly, that's what made people come back to it. Everyone wants an app that just works, no complications. No drama. According to its description, Shareit Lite focuses on one thing only: fast offline file transfer. Your device connects directly to another device, making the transfer speed much higher than Bluetooth and sometimes even faster than Wi-Fi sharing. And in most real-world tests, yes, it actually delivers. Large videos, big photo folders, even big apps move surprisingly fast. The interface is simple, clean, and doesn't make you waste time. No ads exploding in your face, no confusing menus, no random recommendations. Just choose your file, send it, and that's it. But whenever an app promises speed and security, we need to take a closer look. Because file transfer apps have a history of collecting data behind the scenes. And believe me, most people don't even notice. Compared to the full version of Shareit, the Lite version really does reduce a lot of unnecessary tracking. Fewer permissions, fewer background processes, fewer ads watching every move you make. That's a huge improvement. However, the privacy policy is still not perfectly clear. It explains what information they collect, but not always what they do with it. So for users who are extremely privacy-focused, that's something to keep in mind. Nothing alarming, but definitely not perfect. Another thing worth noting is connection stability. Most of the time, Shareit Lite detects the other device instantly, but sometimes, especially with older phones, it struggles to connect on the first try. It's not a huge problem, but for an app that sells itself as simple and reliable, those moments do matter. On the bright side, the app is incredibly light. It takes very little storage, it doesn't slow down your phone, and it doesn't fill itself with heavy animations or unnecessary tools. It actually feels like a proper light app, something focused, efficient, and easy to use, even for people who aren't very tech-savvy. Now, what are users saying online? Most reviews are positive. People love that it's clean, fast, and doesn't feel bloated like the original Shareit. But there are also some comments about occasional bugs and slower performance on older devices. Nothing too serious, but it shows that the app still has room to grow. So, is Shareit Lite worth trying in 2026? Honestly, yes. For most people, it's one of the best lightweight file transfer tools right now. It's fast, it's simple, it's clean, and it avoids the chaos that made the original Shareit frustrating. But is it perfect? Not exactly. The privacy policy could be clearer, the connection stability could improve, and a few features might need more polishing. Still, for anyone who just wants to send files quickly without using internet, Shareit Lite absolutely gets the job done and does it better than many competitors. If this video helped you decide whether to download it, don't forget to like, comment, or share. Stay smart, stay curious, and choose apps that respect your time and your privacy.